Another tree that we have here at the Alfred Caldwell Lily Pool is the Dawn Redwood. And it's not a tree that's native to Chicago or to the Midwest. It was thought to be extinct and was found in a Buddhist enclave in China in the 1960s. And so while we scoured out all the invasive trees here at the Lily Pool, we left this tree because we think it's a presentation tree. Somebody donated the tree in memory of mom or dad or gramps or somebody, and we left it here. It's similar to the redwoods in California. Although the California redwoods do not lose their needles, our Dawn Redwood here loses its needles in the fall and then becomes totally bare and then re-establishes itself next spring. I think why it was lost because it was over-harvested, because it was used as masts for ships during the sailing industry back in the 1700s or even before that. We're grateful that we had this tree here to show a Dawn Redwood in the Alfred Caldwell Lily Pool.